After we prepare the equipments, what's the next one? Reassess agad. Assess. Letter A. Dali na, basahin nyo. Makapas lang.
Assess, sir?
Sabay-sabay magbabasa or makapas lang.
If the unit is term with good cry and good tone, do rotate yung born F.
Okay, so assess the color. Anong color nito?
Pink.
Alam, blue sabi. Ibig sabihin, kailangan niya ng resuscitation. How about for good breathing? Paano yun? If it's good cry, strong cry vigorously,
Strong lang.
good breathing. Okay, next. After that, yung inis talaga. What's the next one? Ay, wait. Heart rate. How are we going to check for heart rate? Yan naman na yung stethoscope. Diba? Okay, guys. Next.
If
If-
the unit has abnormal breathing or good cry, cyanotic or with no
Okay, thoroughly dry. How are we going to dry? Should we dry first the face? So, we're going to dry. Dry. And then, trunk. Tapos, guys, ganito ako, mag-rub kayo, i-stimulate nyo na siya. Okay? So, thoroughly dry. Then, sa back ng baby. Pero usually kasi dapat kung ganyan yun. Parang yung pag ginanyan din siya. Kasi mo ko, diba? Stimulate. Okay, and then, ang gawin at sa paa niya? Pitig-pitigin natin, diba? Okay, after drying, what's the next one? Clear the air ni Mr. Joe Rose. Focus lang. Are we going to clear? Ano yung i-ano natin?
Yung bunga.
Mama,
Why?
kasi sir, doon yung mas maraming papasukan ng air.
Why? Hindi yung sinabi ko kanina.
Because the
Mouth
baby
breather,
is
Mouth
not-
breathers, they are mouth breathers. Okay, and we're going to suction what? Visible or your obvious secretions. Yung mga nakikita nyo lang guys. Okay, so are we going to do that? Ayan o guys. Tapos na yan. Okay, after clear the airway, what's the next one?
Stimulate.
Okay, stimulate. Tapos na, when drying, we are also stimulating. What's the next one? Reassess again. Okay, basahin. Sabay-sabay.
If the unit is pink, not great. 100.
Basahin. Sabay-sabay.
Assess color, tone, breathing, and heart rate.
If neonate is pink in color with good tone, with good cry or breathing, and has heart rate of
Do ENC again. Okay, but if next.
if neonate is still pale or cyanotic, no breathing, and has less than 100 each heart, give 5 inflation breath.
Okay, how are we going to do that?
Next, position the baby's head in neutral position.
Okay, ganyan na siya guys.
Face out.
So assuming na dito ako sa ulo ng baby. Yan. So, okay, what are you going to do? Place the baby in a neutral position. Next.
Second, place the mask of appropriate size connected to an ample gap over the baby's mouth and nose, using the C and E.
I'm going to do that one. C and E guys. Ganito. C. Diyan para i-hold yan. And then E. Okay, ganyan. Okay, next.
Provide
Provide 5 inflation breath by slowly squeezing the band.
How many seconds guys?
No one, no
Meron dyan na. Mas mapas lang kita. 2 to 3
3
seconds.
3 seconds long breath by counting out loud.
Okay, you count. In seconds guys ha. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, stop. 1, 2, 3.
Paano yung bilang mali? Si ano, pas lang yun. Pag mali, ulitin natin. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3.
Look.
3, 2, 3,
To inflate.
4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3.
Okay, then assess. Okay, wala na, 5 lang. Pero makapas lang. Okay, next bit.
Let's go to the
note for chest movement.
No
Okay,
forecast.
note, magaganyan siya guys. Di ba while inflating guys, at cash dial, tama? Tapos pa magde-deflate siya, gaganon. Okay, so inflate at saka deflate. Next.
If neonate is still pale or cyanotic,
Bastahin sabay-sabay nga.
heart rate increases.
Reassess.
Color, tone, breath, and heart rate.
Okay.
If the unit is pink in color with good tone, good cry or breathing, and has heart rate above 100.
Above 100.
Return the
Return the
baby
baby to the mother for breastfeeding and monitoring the regulated the mother.
If
All the baby is still paid or diagnostic, laughing, irregular, or breathing. Heart rate increases but still outgrew. Just 100 with noted chest movement.
Okay, sige. Humihinga na siya,
30
pero
seconds.
mababa pa din.
30
Okay, so
seconds
kailangan.
of ventilation
Ang gagawin,
breath.
ventilation best. Using,
Jaw drastic knee.
okay, pag mali yung ginawa nyo, papas lang po kayo. Ganito guys, oh. Diba, iganyan mo lang sa tapos iangat mo lang siya ganyan, guys. Kasi mo lang. Tapos, get the bag valve mask, place it, and then, using CNE technique again. Pero this time, naka-stand na siya. Okay, dapat nakaganon na yung ano niya. Okay, so again, guys, like this, and then, okay, then, ano nakalagay? Number 2, number 2. Ano yung number 2?
Provide ventilation breath by
Provide ventilation breath by squeezing the back about 1 to 2 seconds or about 30 seconds.
Okay, bilang. Anong gagawin natin? 1 or 2?
2,
Sige, game. Bilang, and
1, 2, 1,
3, 4 na. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
hanggang 30. Sige na, napagod na tayo. Next.
PSS color zone.
Blue pa din siya, guys. Hindi siya. Next.
If neonate is now heated, first, provide bone resurrection.
Okay. Anong resuscitation? Provide post resuscitation. The one I showed you a while ago, ha? Oh, nasa PPT, guys. Yung may stop ventilation, kung pala nandiyan, di ba? Oh, send ko yung, I will send the PowerPoint. Make sure to read that one, ha? I will ask you, dapat you know the answer. Okay, next. After that,
If
reassess.
needed, still has
Ay,
no
needed.
purpose. Second, start chest compression.
Okay, start chest compression. Sinong maggaganito eh? Saan na yung partner ko kanina?
Try na.
Pagod na siya. Ikaw na, Be. Siya na na. Oh, sige, halika na dito.
nagre-record ako.
Ano yung babagating pa ni Chelsea?
Ni?
Nahing ka ka box.
Ikaw na lang yung baby, Be. CPR.
Mimi.
Okay, guys, yung partner ha, dapat jaw thrust.
Now.
Sige, Be.
Marami daw.
Hold. Hindi ka kasi nakikinig ka, tulog ka yung time na yan, no? Ano? Ganyan. Ay, hindi ka nakikinig, tulog ka kasi kanina. Be. Grabe.
Ang counting, 2 is to 1,
I-hold mo.
3 is
Guys,
to 1.
pa-check na ulit. Anong sa
Three,
part?
no? Three,
Lower
three,
third
one.
of the sternum. Okay,
Oh.
just below the
1, 2, 3, all
nipple
lower
line.
third.
Okay,
Oh.
ganun.
Saan? Dino ka.
Gitna ba yan? Okay, what's the depth of the compression? Depth muna, depth.
1/3.
1.5. Okay, what's the ratio of the compression? 3:1. Okay, so for limit, it's always 3:1.
So, nung talo angos na may sa lakas dyan.
I-hold yun siya yung baby hold. Ito tanong ba? Oh,
1, 2,
2,
3. 1, 2,
Smaller
3.
babies, guys. Paano? Smaller babies. One.
Ah, ganito lang.
Okay, go na.
Bawal
Yes.
ganito?
Oo, pero 3 lang. Ayan, ganyan.
Pwedeng ganito?
Oh, ganyan naman talaga. Pag smaller, pero malaki yan, be, ganun. Okay, bilang guys.
Press.
Guys, ganito yung
Ano ba?
Ganito yung
One,
count ng pagtulos. Makinig. Ganun kabilis, ah.
Go!
And go. Tak, tak, tak. Tak, tak, tak.
Bilisan niyo.
Tak. Ang lalim, okay.
Hapla! Ang bakla niyo!
Pag ano, hindi siya pag ganun. Ganito na siya, oh. Ganun. Ang ginagawa
Kahit
ko,
kasalatan niya umatapkol.
Ma'am, kuna na ito dyan na lang hanap ng Viagra kukul mo.
Oo. Ginagawa na niya.
Go!
Marami na ribs na.
Oh, John,
Kasalat
Baliktad. Sa ilong, ay sorry, sa ilong niya.
Ay, ganyan.
Okay guys, bilang. Tak, tak, tak.
Ready, set, go!
Guys, not too fast, not too slow ha. Tak, tak, tak. Ganon. Ready?
Tak,
Bilang,
tak,
1, 2, 3,
tak.
go.
1, 2, 3.
Ano ba kang gusto niyo may
Guys! Hindi nyo na magbumaba kayong pag ginano, di ba aangat yung, di ba mag-inflate siya. Pag bumaba, tsaka kayo mag-compress.
Oo, na kay gawin bilang kay bilang.
Bilang, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Parinig na ako, nagang-angas yun.
Umihinga na siya, babe. Guys, how many seconds? 30 seconds. Then repeat. Okay, assess again for how many seconds, guys. Wait ka lang, guys. The maximum of 10 seconds. Makinig, what's the maximum time for interruption? 10 seconds only, ha? Pas lang yung try. Okay, then anong next doon? Basahin nyo nga.
Star, ay, ito yan.
Check for responses.
Check for responses. When
Paano mo
listening,
i-check?
gumakas din.
Gago kita.
Babe,
Stethoscope, amuta ka. Siya, ay,
Yung mga bunganga urge, grabe.
Okay.
Kasi yung bulok ng pagkatao, go.
ang pagkatao ko, inaayon ko sa bulak sa bunganga mo.
Gago.
Yan na ka nun.
Uy, baka mag-stethoscope! Hindi niya iba lang kasi dito, babe. Kunwari lang, siya mas
Seryoso siya, bakit ba?
Note niya talaga. Okay, go.
Tanga daw.
How many
Kasi
seconds?
seryoso.
10 seconds, guys. Next. Number 4. Ano yung number 6, guys?
Continue giving ventilation breaths for 30 seconds. If the baby still has irregular breathing or gap,
Okay, paano yun yung 30 seconds na naman, guys? Pag may pulse
Ganun
siya,
pa rin.
but the breathing hindi pa rin siya okay.
Pinagtang sa
Ano
muna
next?
ako. After about 30 seconds, evaluation of response.
Basahin. Ano to, letter F? Letter F, basahin. Dali.
After about 30 seconds, evaluation of response is repeated.
Okay, next.
A. If the heart rate is
Still,
still...
baka na basahin yung maayos mo, basta.
Maayos naman!
Naka-video. Mas langin.
If the heart rate is still below 60 beats per minute, then epinephrine is administered.
What is?
Okay, what's epinephrine? Again, you're not listening a while ago, ha?
Epinephrine.
Mas langin.
Hindi ko alam, sir.
What is epinephrine?
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline.
From the adrenal gland.
Yes.
It's a hormone produced by the...
Paano yan?
Nakasabi ko lang.
Insulin at saka glucagon.
Adrenal gland.
Ano ba?
For example, bigyan mo ng example, sir.
Example, what kind of situations? What scenarios?
Adrenaline rush, puta.
Bakla, ano dinanog ka na nagkasta ka, adrenaline ka. Ano mga tagbog, bakla, fight or fight response.
Guys, diba, for example, nabot kayo ng aso, di ba? Alam niyo na yan. Di ba? Alam mo na, ay, may aso. Yung normal response mo is tatakbo ka. Kasi bibig for you, tatakbo ka. Tama?
Hindi, si
Bibig
Bim.
sa mo, hindi mo mamalakit, malakit sa lilas.
Sir, hindi. Si Bim ganyan. Oh, my aso.
Yeah, it will increase your heart rate. That's the purpose. Okay, next, guys. Next.
Yun lang.
Asan pang epinephrine?
Kinaawa ko
Chris Aquino sa mga adrenaline rush na.
Kung kasi siya may
May vertigo ako.
Guys, anong next? Anong
Anong next?
Guys, diba epinephrine and nakalimutan ano ka na epinephrine and
Chest compression and continuous breathing.
check.
After 10 minutes.
Epinephrine and
So, wala ka namang mga beauty lady, ah.
with continued PTV
And chest compression and
then be
continuous
repeated every 3 to 5 minutes. Last
10 minutes.
After
10 minutes.
10 minutes of continuous adequate
5 minutes, wala na din yun eh. Yung break na, wala na, patay na.
May chance pa yun.
Pwede na.
Laban.
After 10 minutes.
Laban
Break
mo.
nun, wala na. Pag nabuhay yun, ano din.
Gagawin natin guys, ako yun doon. Explain to the parents and
Iya.
That
let them hold the baby as they so wish. Pre-resuscitation.
ay napayong na rin sa state.
Oo, pinatay niyo kasi po kayo ng snisan.
Iman gamot ba ding?
So, kumama niya kalahin ni Bakla, nawa ano.
Group 44 and group 46. Go na. Yes, you practice na.